Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm going to take you on a tutorial on how to use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube video optimization management toolkit. One uses it to rank his videos higher in the search engine optimization. If you want to grow the growth of the YouTube viewers and YouTube subscribers, use TubeBuddy. It's a software that is able to rank your videos higher. So TubeBuddy accelerates the growth of your audience and achieve your YouTube dreams. If you want to achieve your YouTube dreams, kindly subscribe to TubeBuddy. I'll take you to the pricing of TubeBuddy. To get to TubeBuddy, just head to this video. Go to the description link. You will find this is my affiliate link. Once you use this affiliate link, you will get 50% off discount. So ensure you use my link to get 50% off the discount. So I will demonstrate. We'll go to the pricing of the TubeBuddy. So once we talk about 1 month, we have a package called Pro. It is $3 per month. For those starting the YouTube journey, wanting to access new tools for your growth, kindly subscribe to this 1 month. We also have these. The most popular one is the star package for content creators looking to achieve maximum efficiency and time saving. And we have legend, and we have enterprise. This is for branding, for unlimited TubeBuddy tools. It ranks on YouTube, saves time and money, and gets expanded customer service. So I'll take you one-on-one about the 1 year package. We'll try to buy these enterprise. So this legend package. So for 1 year, you will be told that you're going to this is the way how to buy it. You can either use PayPal or fill in your credit card details. Yearly, you will be it is charging you it is charging you around $235. Once you use $235, what you need to do, you need to come here and go for my package and use my link. Once you use my link, you'll get 50% off discount. Let me demonstrate that. I told you, go head to my description link, use my TubeBuddy link, and get 50% discount. Let me demonstrate to you as I'm using for those ones with 1,000 subscribers and below. So you'll just use my coupon. Using my link, then you'll say apply. Once you apply for the pricing, you'll get that initially I was being charged $28, but now I'm only being charged for $15 yearly. So 50% off channel that is the for channels that you have less than 1,000 subscribers. So kindly use my link. As I was scrolling through my YouTube, I got there's a free course worth $297 where you'll be able to use the different tools. We can see it has search ranking tracking, it has brand advertisement. A/B testing means you can be able to put 2 thumbnails, then the thumbnails that attracts the maximum subscribers is the one that you'll be able to use. You can be the TubeBuddy has capability of suggesting for you the best title for your videos. It also helps you to optimize the video tags. It also helps you rank higher in the search engine. So I just entered in my channel and I saw good news. This channel qualifies for free TubeBuddy sponsored upgrades. Let us go through those upgrades. My channel, the metrics are these are the metrics of my channel. My channel is Lifestyle Tutorials. Lifestyle Tutorials has around 10,000 subscribers, and that is why I qualified. You'll just, for you to subscribe to qualify for the affiliate program, just head to YouTube, use my just head to my description link, use my link, and you'll be able to get access. You'll be able to access 50% of discount, and also get other these sponsored upgrades. It tells me that for me to earn, to if I get 250 people to install TubeBuddy, I'll get 1 year star or 50 installs. I'll get 1 year free once I just sign up. So it tells me here that once we want to get from you, and the task that I'm supposed to work on is complete a survey. I'll get 1 week free pro upgrade reward. Let me try this task. Complete a survey. It tells me how I want to get 1 week free upgrade for the pro license. So let me see whether it is real. Let us demonstrate so that we may get it. This is my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. I told you, for you to get 50% off the discount, just go use this link. It is there in the description. No, do not struggle finding it here. In the description link, you'll find it there below. So we'll go to, it tells me once I complete survey, you will receive 1 week free upgrade for the pro license. Let us go to it. So how did you hear about TubeBuddy? I had it from YouTube expert lifestyle tutorials. So why haven't you purchased the upgrade? Yes, can't afford, maybe haven't had time to try it yet, couldn't figure out how to use. So maybe you can say you can't afford. And how many active YouTube channels do you have? I have around so far I have two. Rate to body feature using one ranking. In everything I wanted, TubeBuddy is awesome. I will rank it two, not one. What feature are you missing? What I was missing is the video tags, and I was also missing video description. I wanted to get video descriptions. On completing this survey, I'm sure we'll get 1 free week to use the pro as app. Are you aware of the affiliate program? Yes, I am aware. I said for you to get 50% off the pricing of TubeBuddy packages, just head to my description link and use my link, and you'll get 50% free. And I've just demonstrated in the previous video. I demonstrated in the previous video where I showed you that once once you come here and apply using my link, you'll get 15.49 yearly, all the pricing. So it will be a good package. So we'll come here, and was anything confusing or difficult out when starting using TubeBuddy? No. So what TubeBuddy features do you find most helpful in growing your channel? That suggesting the YouTube title and thumbnail. If you could do one thing, what result in upgrading? I would love to use the pro package, the pro package, because in case that one favors those guys with less ones, or less than 1,000 subscribers. Anything else you want to tell us? We are always interested in your customer service. Everything is okay. So I'll submit the answers. Please. Let us confirm if there is anything that so far is not used. Please read the tubes easy to use. Easy to use. So it's telling me to read the easy to use. TubeBuddy is simple. So I'll give them a 6. So I think I'm good to go. I think using these it tells me. Did you write but did you write honest and full response? Will manually review, revoke free upgrades if the answers are not real. So click cancel if you want to update the answers. So we'll be able to, it tells me we will review and revoke free upgrade if the answers is not real. So I'll save it and wait when as I wait for the 1 week. Yeah, 1 week free access of the staff. It tells me license has been promoted to pro. We can see that is a that's a good metric from the video where we were talking about the sponsored upgrades. So we said for you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. Go to the description link, find my link. Once you find my link, if you go and purchase any package with it, you will get 50% of the discount. It's demonstrated 50 off of the channel that have less than 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, lifestyle tutorials. Thank you.